she's nervous too, so bear with her. So. When I go do makeup on clients, so she's usually the camera girl. So I'm hoping that she like kind of pays attention to what I've done. Oh no, well, there you go.
The mascara wandy thingy, but you know, since this brush,
which is AKA spoolie.
It's full cover concealer. I mean, I'm just gonna use it for the eyebrows.
Okay, go. And keep in mind, she does not even know how to open it, so.
I got it.
Oh my god, these dogs.
And I'm gonna use the Sigma concealer. Oh, and I didn't even know this. The Sigma concealer 5. Concealer down. I did that on this.
Okay, don't be afraid to get in there.
I might be using this one or this one, which is a KK.
Okay, just be careful and do not break any of them.
Okay, Desi Perkins.
Just tell me.
Okay.
Desi Perkins? Where did you get that from?
I'm going.
So she's gonna be going in with Modern Renaissance Palette Guard.
This one. This
Okay.
one. That one. And don't mind my messed up nails. I was supposed to get them done.
I think she did them with white.
It's a little yellow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna use the Morphe R38. The warm toupee. Taupe.
Warm toupee. Go. Okay.
using this pinky color. This one. I don't know if you can see this.
Yes.
Okay. I'm using the same brush. I didn't even say it. This is the Morphe M53.
You don't need to say brushes. We just need to hurry up.
Well, it's interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. I think. Wait.
What? What? Did you get scared of your look or what? Okay, go.
I got scared because I think I did something wrong. Okay. Oh, this is the color I'm going for.
Techniques sponge.
Yeah, do I use this one? I'm just gonna go for it.
So she's going in. Just like.
Oh, I'm supposed to put water.
Yeah. I think my camera stopped recording, but here is what she has so far. I'm not sure where she stopped, but she's contouring and she used a contour stick from
Hoola Benefit.
From Benefit.
Okay.
she bought me for Christmas
Yeah,
last year.
the Anastasia Glow Dip Sun Dip. Glow Kit Sun Dip highlight. And she's a little light skinned, so I'm just...
Color of my face.
I am done.
Here, come here. All right, guys. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know. I can't wait to see what she did. How long did it take? It took like an hour and a half. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet done so, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm finally gonna look at her finished complete look. And let's see how this goes. I'm nervous. Okay.
What the?
Wow, Jasmine. She actually did an okay job, but let me just judge a little bit, but don't shake.
So, well, one thing she forgot to do, she didn't bake. She didn't bake on my under eye. That's for sure. The lips actually look kind of good. My contour is kind of by my jawline already, but it's okay. My eyebrows, dude, my eyebrows are like dark as heck. But other than that, she did an okay job, and the eyes look pretty. Ooh. Here's the finished look, guys.